I don't have to, and you stopped me and I don't have to wear a seatbelt. I'm not breaking the law.
All right. Can I have your insurance, Mr. Gill?
I'm not breaking the law.
And sir, can I have your insurance?
Okay. Please? This is actually my dad's car. I don't know where the insurance is. You can write.
Looking for it? I have a body mic and I got video evidence too.
I know, but I'm just getting video evidence that it's a legal stop because I'm not breaking the law. You did stop me.
Can you give me your insurance?
Yes, I'm looking for the insurance. I do not know where it is. This is not my car, but I did not break any law, and you stopped me though.
You came off of 63rd Street.
Here's the insurance.
Seatbelt on.
I don't have to wear a seatbelt.
Can I get your phone number, sir?
I have a right.
I'll be with you shortly, sir.
Okay.
All right.
I don't got time for this. I gotta go. I'm not breaking the law. I'm not breaking any law. I need to go. I don't have time for this. I'm not breaking any laws and I need to go.
Sir, the statute number's on there. You got OCSN. You can look it up on your computer or you can look it up on your phone.
I know. Okay, anyone that gets a medical exemption from the... I'm
well,
going to sue you for harassment. I have a disability. You're discriminating against me because of my disability, sir. What is your name? Jay Marshall. What is your ID number? I need your badge number, sir. You violated my constitutional rights and you are violating the Americans with Disabilities Act. Because I am disabled, you stopped me.
All right.
I would like to file an official complaint against you.
Court, Oklahoma County Sheriff's Office.
You violated my constitutional right. Hey, did you know that you can be exempt from the seatbelt law? Were you aware of that? You don't know the law.